Hello guys, today in this video we are going to solve some important questions from Victorian age which will be very helpful for NetSet aspirants. So without delay, let's begin with our first question. The Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria celebrated in Friends, Golden Jubilee is the 50th anniversary of a significant event. Queen Victoria ascended in the throne in 1837 plus 50 years of Golden Jubilee equal to 1887. So, the correct answer is number A, 1887. Second question. Oxford movement was basically a religious movement centered at University of Oxford that sought a renewal of Catholic or Roman Catholic thought and practice within the Church of England in opposition to the Protestant tendencies. So, the right option is A. Oxford movement was basically a religious movement. Question number 3. Alfred Lord Tennyson appointed poet laureate in Tennyson's masterpiece In Memoriam, published in 1850. Later, in the same year, he was appointed poet laureate after William Wordsworth. So, the right option is Alfred Lord Tennyson appointed poet laureate in number A, 1850. Question number 4. Which of the following novel is called a novel without a hero? Vanity Fair, published in 1848 by William Makepeace Thackeray, is called a novel without a hero because it contains no heroic character. So, the right choice is number A. Vanity Fair is known as a novel without a hero. Question number 5. Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights is a Gothic novel published in 1847 under the pseudonym of Alice Bell, that is Emily Bronte. So, the right option is number D. Wuthering Heights, published in 1847. Question number 6. What is meant by Wessex? Thomas Hardy set all of his major novels in the south and southwest of England, and he named the area Wessex. So, the right choice is number C. Wessex is the region in which Hardy's novel is set. Next question. What award was given to Hardy as a novelist? In 1910, Thomas Hardy awarded the Order of Merit, and in the same year, he was also for the first time nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature. So, the right answer is number B. Order of Merit was given to Hardy as a novelist. Question number 8. George Eliot was the pen name of Mary N. Evans, known by her pen name George Eliot, was an English novelist, poet, journalist, translator, and one of the leading writers of Victorian era. So, George Eliot was the pen name of number C. Mary N. Evans. Question number 9. Sherlock Holmes was written by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Question number 10. Which of the following poem is a dramatic monologue? Tithonus is a poem by Alfred Lord Tennyson, published in 1860. The poem is considered as a dramatic monologue. So, the right option is number B. Tithonus is a dramatic monologue. Question number 11. Hardy believes in the philosophy of Immanent will is a concept of Thomas Hardy. He believes a blind and indifferent force that determines the fates of the privileged and the common people alike. So, Hardy believes in the philosophy of number B, immanent will. Question number 12. In Charles Dickens, A Tale of Two Cities refers to A Tale of Two Cities is an 1859 historical novel by Charles Dickens set in London and Paris before and during the French Revolution. So, the right choice is number D. Charles Dickens' A Tale of Two Cities refers to London and Paris. Question number 13. The term Cartall sonnet was coined by Cartall sonnet is an 11-line sonnet invented by Gerard Manley Hopkins, and he used in 3 of his poems. So, the right option is number D. Cartall sonnet was coined by Gerard Manley Hopkins. Question number 14. Which of the following novel of Charles Dickens is an autobiographical? Charles Dickens' David Copperfield is his first and only autobiographical novel published in 1849. So, the right choice is number A. David Copperfield is an autobiographical novel by Charles Dickens. Next question. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India in 1876. So, the right option is number A. Queen Victoria became the Empress of India in 1876. Question number 16. Great Exhibition was held in. Friends, the Great Exhibition of the Works of Industry of All Nations took place in London from 1st May to 15th October 1851. It intended to showcase the individual and cultural products of the world. It drew exhibitors and visitors from across the globe. So, the right option is number A. Great Exhibition was held in London. Question number 17. Charles Dickens left one novel unfinished. Which one is? Friends, Edwin Drood, a novel that was left unfinished because the author died suddenly halfway through writing it. So the answer is number C. Edwin Drood by Charles Dickens was left unfinished. Question number 18. Tennyson was appointed as the Poet Laureate after whom? After William Wordsworth's death and Samuel Rogers' refusal, Tennyson was appointed to the position of Poet Laureate in 1850. So, the right option is number D. After William Wordsworth, Tennyson was appointed as the Poet Laureate. Next question. In Memoriam, Tennyson mourns in the death of. In Memoriam, published in 1850, is an elegy by Tennyson written in the memory of Arthur Henry Hallam. So, the right choice is number A. Tennyson mourns in the death of Arthur Henry Hallam. Last one. Vicky Collins is known for. Vicky Collins was an English novelist and playwright known for the creation of sensational plots. So, Vicky Collins is known for number A. The creation of sensational plots. So guys, today we have done some important questions from Victorian age. If I find something more, then I will make video soon. Thank you.